Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get an update on the Melrose Hill bypass project. So we are driving from Porus to Williamsfield and we are going to see how far they have reached with the work. So this project is a part of Highway 2000. However, this road will not be a toll road. The section that we are on from Porus to Williamsfield will not be a toll road. However, it will be a part of the highway, the Kingston Highway 2000 project, the Kingston to Montego Bay Highway. So basically the way it works is on the left, that's the toll section of the highway, but it comes back out to the Melrose Hill bypass. Now because the highway is going to incorporate the bypass, it is being upgraded to 4 lanes. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. And as a result of the highway incorporating the bypass is being upgraded to 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. So it's going to look just like the highway, except you don't have to pay toll to use a section between Porus and Williamsfield. So we're taking a look at this section of the highway, the bypass, the Melrose Hill bypass, and that's Melrose Hill on the right. So this road is being upgraded into a 4-lane dual carriageway. So where we are now, we are merging with the highway. So there you can see the concrete barricade and the 4 lanes. So we're getting an update. Now, it was announced recently that the entire highway from Maypen to Williamsfield, that's the section they're working on, from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout, will be finished in August 2023. That's August of this year. We are now in April. So we're going to give you guys updates on this project every 2 weeks to see how far they've reached. And they've said the entire highway from Maypen to Mandeville is over, I think they said over 90% complete. So the highway, this new section that's being constructed, starts at the Maypen roundabout. It will go over the Rio Mino Bridge, and it will run basically just a little south of the Maypen bypass. And then it gets to toll gate, where you're going to have a toll plaza and an interchange. And then at toll gate, the alignment of the highway will go over the hill and come back out here at the Melrose Hill bypass. So that is the alignment of this section. Now the alignment of the entire highway from Kingston to Montego Bay, the Kingston to Maypen section of the highway is finished. It's up and running. You have 2 toll plazas you go through to use that road. And then the section from Maypen to Williamsfield is being worked on. That's what we're looking at now. And then they just announced recently that this highway will be extended from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And that work should start later this year. So remember now, this highway goes from Kingston to Montego Bay. So they're also working on the Montego Bay leg of the highway. So from Mount Pelion back to Anchovy, back to Long Hill, they're working on that section. So the only section left to start or basically be announced would be the Hodges to Mount Pelion section, and then the highway will be finished. And it's a toll road from Kingston to Montego Bay, Highway 2000 east-west leg. But the highway was recently renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. Now I don't think they're going to rename this section that we're on. I think it will stay as the Melrose Hill bypass, because we're not 100% sure, but we haven't heard anything about the bypass name being changed to be Highway 2000 or the PJ Patterson Highway. So there you can see they're working on the Jersey barriers. Let's just zoom in, and that's a concrete barricade that separates both sides of the road. So there you can see them installing them. So this highway looks like it will be finished by August, because as you can see, the roadway is practically, you can see the definition of the roads basically. Now the section of the highway from the Rio Mino Bridge to Tollgate is finished, and then the section from Tollgate over the hill to the bypass is also finished. The road is in, it's paved, just minor things to be done. So the last major part of the project is what we're looking at, which is converting the Melrose Hill bypass into 4 lanes all the way to Williamsfield. And if I was to estimate, I'd say this road will be finished long before August. It was to have finished earlier, but they changed it, the deadline, to August. But they're far advanced. We have videos up of driving on those sections of the road, but recently they blocked off the road because the sections are finished and I don't want people driving on them. But you can check out the channel for videos on the other sections. And China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor. They build all the major highways in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to continue our tour. I always thought they put in these things finished. I didn't realize that they actually... Oh, those are just the clamps to hold the concrete in place. I always thought these things were prefabricated and they just drop them in with the cranes, but it looks like they build them on the spot and use the clamps to hold them in place while the cement dries. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.